Okay, so I have made the first version of my note naming game, and just to show what it looks like, so you press the green flag, the little sprite avatar tells you what to do, then you drag the letter name to the colour, and then on the keyboard you press the letter, so in this case it will be C, and if you're correct, great, let's try another one. So we'll put on F, so I'm going to press F on my keyboard. She says that, then we've got one more, which is obviously the G, so I press G on the keyboard. Then we've got another set, so for example, if I put on the wrong note and I press B, it will say try again, and it will bounce back. Then try another note. Cool. Let's try this one. So I'll press A on the keyboard. Nope, not that one. Let's try this one. Is it this one? Press B. Nope. Okay, so then it must be D. Great. So I'll press D on the keyboard. And then we'll try another one. So I think that's A. Great. And then that one. So this is the first version of the game. I think the first thing I would say about it is I definitely want to do a version with sharps and flats on it. So that would be the other side of the steelpan, and maybe just adjust some of where the notes are, so how I've placed them. Maybe move the avatar a little bit, but that's the gist of the first game. I'm also waiting to hear back from my students to see what they think about this version of the game. I had a few problems with the sprites, so for example, initially I just wanted it to be a click only game, so you could just drag on there, but then when I wanted them to give feedback, I wasn't getting the right feedback from the sprites, like, so she was saying different things to what I wanted her to say when I clicked it. So I made the sprites themselves, so the letter sprites say if you've got it wrong. So for example, if I do F here and that's a C, but put F, the sprite says try again and bounces back, instead of her saying it's wrong, the sprite saying it's wrong. So that's how I got around one issue. And so she says if you get it right, then she'll say something. We'll call her Miss Adams. Miss Adams will say something. Then F. Well done. Here's one more. G. So I was also thinking of adding some sound to it, because to make it a bit more interesting. I'm not sure, because these sprites, these letter sprites, I got from the actual Scratch bank. I'm not sure, I might have to edit them a bit, because if I'm going to do sharps and all of that, I'll have to think about how I'm going to add sharps to these letters, if I can do that. But yeah, so we'll see what happens on the update.